Are you wondering which platform is better for trading Bitcoin? Today, we're diving into Bisq versus HODL HODL. Both of these platforms are popular for peer to peer Bitcoin trading. They let users buy and sell Bitcoin directly with one another. No need for middlemen or centralized exchanges. This gives you more control and privacy. Let's start with Bisq. Bisq is a decentralized exchange. It allows users to trade Bitcoin for various currencies. You can use it without giving up personal information. Bisq operates on a network of users. It's open source, meaning anyone can contribute to its development. This creates a community driven platform. Now, let's look at HODL HODL. This platform also focuses on peer to peer trading. HODL HODL stands out because it uses multi signature wallets. This means that neither party has full control over the funds until the trade is complete. It offers a unique escrow system which helps keep transactions secure. So, what are the key differences? Bisq is fully decentralized, while HODL HODL has a unique escrow feature. Bisq requires downloading software, whereas HODL HODL is web based and easier to access. When it comes to features, both platforms have their pros. Bisq offers a wide range of payment methods. HODL, HODL, on the other hand, provides an easy to use interface and a faster trading process. Now, let's talk about pricing. Both platforms have low fees compared to traditional exchanges. However, HODL HODL might have slightly higher fees due to its escrow service. In the end, if you prefer a fully decentralized experience, Bisq is the way to go. If you want a simpler interface and secure transactions, HODL HODL is a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.